So I'm just editing the video now and I realized why I give these exercises. These are all open chain exercises. So you're not putting any body weight through your neck. Whereas with traditional boxing and wrestling exercises, you do like a neck bridge. That does compress the joints in your neck and it can irritate the disc. So these exercises are great because there's no compression through the joints and no compression through the disc in your neck. Works really well if you do have any pre-existing disc bulges or neck injuries. If you have neck pain or have been in a car accident or have some sort of neck injury, these are the 5 exercises I recommend to my patients when starting neck rehab. So the first one is an isometric neck retraction exercise with a TheraBand, placing it behind your head in line with your eyes. Attach it to something around eye level and just walk backwards and forwards. As you walk backwards, the band will get tighter and you will unconsciously switch on your neck muscles to keep your head still. This is a really good exercise just to get started on your neck rehab. Once you get good at that, you can add in some active movements. So we're doing some neck retractions here. Same thing, but this time I like holding onto the band so you can tailor the force depending on how much you can handle. Thinking of giving yourself a double chin and then poking your head forward as far as you can to get a bit of a stretch. This is doing the same exercise as the previous movement, but this time you're working through range of motion. Once that's pretty comfortable, we're going through some rotation now. So with the band, again, eye level, pulling the band forward for a bit of resistance, you're going to rotate side to side, and this will teach your neck to stay switched on as you rotate side to side. Really good for neck rotation work and slowly incorporating some movement back in there. Once you get comfortable with that, we're going to do some side lying exercises. So lying on your side, you can use a very light weight. This is about 2.5 kilos. And we're going to start off with some lateral flexion work. So letting your neck bend as far as you can, getting a good stretch, and then pulling up to the top, feeling a contraction. This is a great exercise because you stretch one side and contract the other side, pushing you through full range of motion, making sure that the movement is slow, controlled, not jerking. And with every exercise, it should be a bit uncomfortable, but not painful. You can modify this by doing it on your bed on a pillow so you're not going down into too far of a stretched position. And the last movement would be neck flexion. So head over the edge of your bed or your bench, coming down into a stretch position, and then tucking your chin and lifting up. This will work on flexing the neck down. So give those 5 exercises a go. Start super light. Once you can do about 20 repetitions, increase the weight. Good luck.